Morning everyone. Just starting the day with some repairs, you know how it is. Flipping, I need to fix this, well, try and seal the crap out of it, but also me, I don't know if you can see, the linkage, I've just had to cut this with with the Swiss knife because I couldn't get into it. This linkage here has separated. So I woke up this morning, obviously this was shut and I was baking. So I've just had to cut this and like push it open from inside. Just fixing this now. And then, I mean it's a massive bodge anyway, as you can see, that's always the weak point. See what I can do. And then I'm going to get on the roof, seal this up. I don't really know, it might be leaking through the bolt holes where it screws into the roof, I'm not sure. I'll show you the view in a minute because it is fantastic. It should do the job for now. To be honest, when I go back to do all my solar and everything, the batteries, I'm tempted just to flipping rip this out, build another one of them. Because this thing is garbage. So, don't know, we'll see. I have to put this cover on it every night anyway, just so that the sunlight don't wake me up really early. So I might as well just have one of them really, innit? Look at that. Surgeon precision. It's the simplest tools that you bring. Some thread and a curved needle. Job done. I don't understand where else it can be coming from. Right, peeps. Can do a bit of laundry. Because I'm running out of underwear. Probably just do it all today. Use my water. And then done then, ain't it? I mean, all these, I've got like 3 weeks supply of clothes, so I've not run out of normal clothes, it's just underwear. Because I'm not at the stage yet where I want to be wearing, making the pants last 4 days, turn them inside out, and then back to front, and then right way back to front. And then by the time you get back, the skid marks are dry and you start again. Not at that stage yet. When you think about it, what's a laundrette? £10 or £5? This bucket cost me like £4. So after this one it's paid for itself and then it's free after that. I know it's only a little bit, but it's all these little bits that add up, and you know, you save a lot of money, don't you? There we go, that's everything. I don't need to wear gloves, but my hands get bad really quick, so look at this, a good look, isn't it? In the mountains, in my shorts, with my marigolds. Take that.
Not even halfway, I don't think. Bagger. Oh, dying again. Only like, I don't even know, just over halfway maybe. I already feel better though than the first one in Switzerland. Like when I take a break and get my breath back in like 10 seconds, 20 seconds. So we're improving slowly. Soon I'll be able to make it up these mountains. I really want to get up here though before the sun goes over the top. Because I reckon it'll be a sick sunset picture from the other side. But I need to get up there first. And that is easier said than done. That's nice though, isn't it? That might have to be a photo. Look at this. This is avalanche protection apparently. That's where they came from, look. Way down there. Bloody hell. Oh man, look at this for a trail. You don't want to slip. Whew. I'm gonna do it this time. I'll go to the top, 100%. It's just me, music, and 2 and a bit thousand of you, but so I'm to think about that bit. It is, look. Almost looks close, kind of. Oh my god, guys. Look at this. Oh. I think I might actually do this one. Oh. They are 100% Christmas trees. Oh my god. The van's just a black speck down there somewhere. So close there. Not far, I don't think. Yeah, look, not far, about half an hour left. Oh man, it's so good. Oh. It's so weird up here. It's like the sun's beating, but it's freezing. I got goosebumps. Holy shit. Probably the last push now, and I'll be on. The last bit. Come on. Come on. Come on. I think this is the top. Oh god, the sun. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my fucking shit. Done it. That's like the fucking mountain. Oh man. That's it, highest I've ever climbed. That's it. 2,072 meters. This is, oh my god, this is crazy. This is so crazy. I just climbed a mountain on my own. That is mental. I can't believe. I mean, there'll probably be people on here like, oh, well, it's only a tiny one. Well, you know what? F you. It's the biggest one I've ever gone up. 3 attempts on this trip, failed 2, and finally done one. I don't even know what it's called. Oh man, I could sit up here all day. Problem is, it's going to be a couple of hours to get down, I imagine. So, I've downloaded an app for the trails. I've managed to come off this one. Well done. Doesn't say what this mountain is called. Glacier there. There's a glacier there. There's snow all around. I'm just sat here sunbathing at 2,000 meters. Oh, I think it's this one. Oh, I ain't gonna be able to read that. Aguiletes des Possets. No idea. Alright everyone, one last look from on top of the world, and then I better head down because that sun's going to drop in a minute. And as lovely as it'd be to see the sunset from here, I left my headlamp in the van, so it's probably not the greatest idea. So I'll get a scoot on going down. I've got a torch on my phone if I really need it, but yeah, awesome. Right, let's do it. I'm not going to bother filming the way down. I'm just going to put the camera in the bag and bomb down because it slows me down trying to hold this. So I'll just get a wriggle on, but I'll check back when I get back to the van. Hopefully it's still there. Alright, we are back. I am starving. What I was thinking about the whole time when I was walking, I got these peaches in it and they're perfect ripe, so they just explode in your mouth as soon as you put them in. I just came back, nicked a couple of them and just sat outside the van chatting with my mate for a little bit. Showed me some bushcraft tips. Pretty cool. So yeah, I'm just gonna have some dinner now and then go to bed pretty much, I reckon. Because I'm battered after that. So good though, wasn't it? Brilliant. I mean, you know, so there'll probably be people that will be laughing. He laughed, but I said that that's the biggest one I've been on.
but you got to start somewhere, haven't you?
Yeah. Not all fortunate enough to be born in flipping mountainous areas. I'm sure if I was born in the Lake District or something, then I'd do a lot more hiking, but I'm from Leicester, so it's just flat and shit everywhere. I'm not sure what to do. I might move from here tomorrow. Don't know. I'm not sure yet. It is nice. There's loads of places to go around here, like trails and stuff. But I just got to remember, like, you know, I'm inexperienced at this, like climbing wise and all that sort of thing. So I don't want to get out of my depth, especially when I'm on my own. And that one today was brilliant. Like, obviously, it's still big. Like, I was dead when I got to the top, but you know, the trail was quite easy. It was easy to follow. You know, it's nice, not particularly dangerous. Some of it was like, you know, properly steep, but at least I can follow it. I've downloaded an app on my phone now that's got like the trails and the maps, so it should make life a bit easier. I was going to watch the sunset from on top. It's like he said to me just then, you know, coming back down, because I ain't got a headlamp. I left it in here, well, tit. If you break your ankle or something, and then you can't see, and he said it gets freezing up there, which, you know, obviously you can believe, because there's flipping snow up there. Screwed, didn't you, pretty much, as soon as the light goes. So I'll have to remember the next one I go up, headlamp, 100%. Oh, look at that, just the job. I bought some cordial as well, so it can actually make me water taste interesting now. Yeah, I pretty much just had dinner, watched a movie, and now I'm turning in because I've had enough. So I shall catch you lot tomorrow. Morning everyone. Probably about to do something I'm going to regret, but we'll see. Need to do something about this because it's getting a bit daft. So yeah, I have cut my own hair before, but that was number one all over. A bit different to it. So we'll see how it goes. The next time you see me, I might look like I've just come straight from the army. Don't know. We'll have a go, eh? Why not? Alright, wish me luck. Oh, that's happened. That has happened.